So before starting today's stand-up meeting, I have something to discuss with you guys. So from Sunday onwards, we will be assigning our task that will be for creating login page. So in our app for now on, just for now, we will only have login page. We won't be having a sign up just for now, and only members will be able to log in to our app and add the rate request. But we just have to work on login for now, and after our stand-up meeting ends we will discuss it in detail. So for now on, let's start stand-up meeting, and then we will go and discuss deep about the login page. So Sheza, will you share your screen and show us the task that you did in your last working day and your calendar?
Yes. So I'll show my calendar first. I took a leave yesterday, which I mentioned it here all day, and uh, on Monday, this is my 9 to 10 a.m. recording, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is lunch, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and this is the daily summary. So, in my last working day, I started with the location picker class. So this will be the class that will be on the aid request page only, and uh, obviously this is before we got the login page. Uh, to make this is before we got the instructions to make the login page. So for these two screens, I will save them somewhere else, or delete them. But I almost did this location picker class. So for this location picker class, I have imported Google Maps Flutter package, Google Places Flutter package. These Google Maps Flutter package is the Google Maps integration. Google Places Flutter is the or Places autocomplete feature. Location package is to fetch the current location of the user, and geocoding package is to convert the latitude longitude to an address. So here in the location picker bar, we are giving both the options to um, select the location through a Google map, as well as to autocomplete a location through a text field. So this is all the functioning that I did for this thing. And uh, here we are displaying Google Maps through this package, where users can tap on the map to select a location. We are also using the text field with Google Places Flutter package, which allows users to search for a place. And here the selected place's latitude and longitude are updated on the map. So this is what the Google Places Flutter along with the geocoding feature will do. The reverse geocoding feature here, basically we use the geocoding package to for the latitude and longitude to be converted into a human readable address. This is why we are using the geocoding package, and we are using the location package to fetch the current location of the user. So users here can type a location name, for example a city, street, or landmark, and autocomplete results will show up, and they can select one of the updates on the map. So this is the autocomplete feature. And then pinpointing location, users can tap anywhere on the map to pick a location. That is why we are giving the pinpoint location feature. And the selected location is reverse geocoded to show an address. So this is the functioning basically for all of this. And I still wasn't done with that, but I will put this on hold, and uh, uh, I will put this on hold and start with the login screen later. So this is the update. This is the thing that I did on my last working day.
Sheila, can you show us the ClickUp task as well?
Oh, okay. Just a second. Oh, this is my task, setting the ADAP development project, and I have also linked the Git repository here. So this is my task on ClickUp.
Thank you, Shiza. So now, Shannon, will you share your screen and show us the task that you did yesterday and your calendar?
My ClickUp task is to set the project and start working on SP.NET Core app. After yesterday's meeting, I firstly I checked the tool that it is installed or not, which is required for Entity Framework. Then I add a new migration. I faced some issue in migrations as I forgot to do the previous step, but it has done successfully using this command. And inside the folder we have these three files, which is initial create design and model snapshot. Then created a database, but the problem is that I'm not able to find the file which is for the database. I tried to find out where I've done wrong and still trying to figure it out. I'm taking help from ChatGPT, but in that the suggestions is that I should remove the required modifier, and as well as SQLite doesn't support list strings, which I mentioned in aid request. So I was confused that I should do the changes or not. But for now, I will start with the login page and my calendar. 9 to 10 recording, 10 to 1, 10 to 11. Maybe it is in 9 to 10 folder. 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2 is lunch break, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and it's my daily summary. That is all what I did yesterday. Thank you.
Thank you, Shannon. And now, Moise, will you share your screen and show us the task that you did yesterday?
Sure. Okay, so till yesterday, I completed the login page, and now I was working on sign up page as well. So after reaching out to the login page, anybody can do the login by submitting his email address and password. And when he or she will going to click on the login, everybody can go to the login page. Similarly, if a person is new, so he can just go to the sign up page and fill the details just like that. Then he has to click on the checkbox for the privacy policy, and then once the person will click on the sign up page, he will receive the code on his email address. The person should enter the code and then click on the verify so that the person can log in. Now I was working on the home page of the screen. So I haven't created the animation or the uh, things as for now. So this will be the home page. I will make it scrollable as well so that anybody can do the scrolling while it will be horizontal or vertical. And one second. Yeah. So, and if anybody wants to see here, have a close look. So here will be the whatever will be the cost and the amount for the donation as well as the donation bar, that how much it is completed, and here will be the other pages for the accounts, notification, raise fund, donation, and home. So according to that, I will I will create. And as you mentioned before, that on the top screen there will be in the search bar the logo and the menu bar. So I have created that. If we you have to go with this one, then we can go. Otherwise, we can change it. This is all from my side.
Thank you, Moise. But now for now, we will only be working on login page. We won't be having any sign up
Mhm.
page.
Okay.
So we should be working on that only because we will be actually having Google login page so that the user can actually members only can log in for now. There won't be any users. We will add them later, but for now on we will be
Mhm.
having a member login so that members can add the aid requests. And then after adding some aid requests, we will be adding the feature of sign up. So that users can sign up and do the donations and check the list. So, but for now on, we will be providing only login with the Google account. So you have to change the login screen accordingly.
No worries.
Other than that, you will
So
also be
there will
doing,
be a particular login, the amount of people, members will be there. So those
yeah,
who can log in, correct?
yeah, okay. I will be doing the backend for that. So I will be adding the account and everything else. So you just have to create the wireframe for the login, and that will be done with Google accounts only.
Sure.
So other than this, as Shiza have to work on Flutter with that, and for the app, and Shannon, you have to create the login through website, and I will be working on the backend and connection of the uh, backend to front end. But I will be using Firebase, so you guys can check the Firebase for the backend that I will be using so that you can get a better understanding. It's an easy way to, because it's from Google also, so it's an easier way to connect the backend to front end, as we'll be using Google accounts, so it will make it easier for us. And Moise, you also have to actually find some either mics or a way to remove the background noise, because we will be doing the voiceovers and explaining our work, and we will be creating the videos on that for the YouTube. So we have to make sure that there isn't any background noise in our voiceovers. So if you can, please find a way so that we won't be having any background noise in our video.
Yeah, sure. But the thing is, this time there's too much noise nearby my house.
Yeah,
So
that's the
if
issue.
possible, I can record the things at the night time.
Yeah, that recording will be done by us only. We will be recording our screen and explaining it, but you have to make sure find a way so that there won't be any background noise in the voiceover.
No problem in that. I can you can detect the background noise.
So make sure that because in the YouTube videos we can't let the background noise,
Okay, we should we have to do the live session then. Is it so? Or
No,
we
no,
can do the
it won't be a
editing and
live session. It will be a video recorded by us that will be edited by you into a professional video, as client told
Mhm.
me. So in the professional video there shouldn't be any background noise and it should be editable. I mean, edited in a way that looks professional. So this is what you have to search and learn, and after the creating the login page. But for now on, we will just be discussing about it, and then we will start the main task from Sunday. That's the day our sprint will start. So if you guys have any doubts, you can ask. And
Yeah, you can just tell me that the login page I have created, do we want this one as for now? Because the login page will be the similar for both the people, like for the person who is going to post their aid request, and as well as the people who are going to fund for that.
no, for now on, we won't be having the login page for donors. So we will be discussing it about later when I get the information for the donors, how it will look and what kind of
Mhm.
fields that will be there. So for now on, we will just be having an email and password and a Google
Mhm.
login account, as you have already added, but change it in
Mhm.
a bit, like it will be only Google login, but we will still be able to provide the credentials from the Google account only.
Okay.
And if possible, you can try other animations for the splash screen that you have added. You can try that as well.
Yeah, sure. No problem in that. If you have any suggestions, you can just tell me, so I will do it accordingly. It will be more appropriate.
Yeah, actually, I don't have anything right now in my mind. If I have found anything that then I will let you know. But still, try to find something different so that we can go through many options and pick one from that.
Sure, sure, no problem in that.
So
One
Also,
more thing. Do we have this logo in the SVG file?
I don't think so. I will check it. If we have that, can you
Mm.
name it again? What file?
SVG.
SVT. Okay, I will check it if we have that, and I will send you that. If we don't, then you can you create it? I mean, can you convert the image
The
to
thing is, this
SVT?
is in the PNG form. So I have a something in my mind that will have a good impact while loading the image. So if we have that, so it will be more better for me to do that.
Okay, I will check it. If
Hmm.
I have the
Or in the
SVT, then I
vectorized
will
form.
send.
Okay.
Okay, actually, yeah. Okay, I will check it and let you know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Sheza.
uh, so since we'll only be having a Google login, um, how is the screen actually supposed to look like? Will we still have an email password option, or will there just be a field which says login with Google, and then it will be automatic login with Google?
We will be having both actually. Users can provide their email and password that is already added in Google, that I will be adding because as members I will be adding it manually to the Firebase, and also Google option will be there so that users can just click and get login with the Google option as well. So we will be having both.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
As you need to add a Google button and there will be a package, I believe, so please check that as well. You just have to find about it right now, then we will start the uh, main task from the Sunday onwards.
Okay, okay.
Same goes for you, Shanim. You need to find out about how to add the button of Google account login in website.
Okay.
And then if you have any queries about it, please let me know.
Okay, thanks.